Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use expert option and earn money in Saudi Arabia. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to start trading. Let's dive into the account creation process. First, head over to the expert option website and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details accurately to create your account. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Key features include customizable charts and various trading instruments. Expert Option offers a wide range of trading options. You can trade forex, stocks, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies, allowing for diverse investment opportunities. To start trading, you'll need to deposit funds. In Saudi Arabia, you can use methods such as bank transfers, credit cards, or even e-wallet solutions. Analyzing market trends is vital. Keep an eye on news affecting your assets and use analytical tools provided by the platform to make informed decisions. Maximize your earnings by employing effective strategies like diversification and risk-reward analysis. Develop a trading plan that suits your style. It's essential to manage risk. Techniques like setting stop-loss orders can protect your investments and minimize losses. When it's time to withdraw your profits, familiarize yourself with the procedures and expected timelines to ensure a smooth transaction. In conclusion, Expert Option presents a fantastic opportunity for those in Saudi Arabia looking to earn from trading. With the right approach, you can succeed.